Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today I'm going to change my air filter on the engine compartment. This is the filter, MAN filter C30130, and here is the area where is the old filter, and I will change it with a new one. First you need to take out 5 screws from the filter compartment. Now you need to release this air tube. And here is the old dirty filter. And I think it's wisely to clean a little bit here. And now it's time to install the new and clean filter. And guys, that was all about how to install the air filter on the engine compartment on a Vauxhall car. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice, and share this video. You never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.